Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about verbs which are used to show possession. They are has, have, and had. We use has and have to show possession or belonging in the present. Let's look at some examples. Emmy has long hair. India has a huge population. Neeta has two brothers. In all these three sentences, the nouns are singular. So, with singular nouns, we use has. We also use has with pronouns like she, he, and it. Look at the examples. She has a shell. He has a flag. It has stripes on it. So, we use has with singular nouns and pronouns like she, he, and it. Now, let's have a look at these two children. This is Jack and Jill. They are at the beach and they are playing there. How nice to see them like this, isn't it? Now, what are they playing with? Let's find out. Jack and Jill have paper boats, bats, buckets, a ball, a flag, and a mat. Now, why is it said like Jack and Jill have paper boats? Do you know why, children? Here there are two people, so the noun is plural here. So when it is plural, we will use have. We also use have with I, we, you, and they. Let's look at some examples. I have a rake and spade. We have sand buckets. You have an umbrella. They have a beach ball. So, we use have with plural nouns and also with I, we, you, and they. Look at this sentence, children. My father had an old scooter. Now, in this sentence, my father is a singular noun. And the verb used here is had and not has. Why? Do you know? It is because this sentence is in the past tense. So we use had to show belonging in the past. And we use had with both singular and plural nouns. Look at these two sentences. First sentence, Rahul had a pet. The noun is singular. In the second sentence, Rahul and Ashok had pets. Here, the noun is plural. So, we use had with both singular and plural nouns. We also use had with pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. I had fever yesterday. We had a party last night. You had a pen in your hand just a minute ago. He had completed his homework. She had a blue skirt. Look at this box. It had a sticker on it. They had a big house. So now, children, have you understood how to use has, have, and had? I hope it's clear for everybody. Now let's move to the textbook exercises. You should read page 36 and 37 many times. Let's look at the first exercise. Fill in the blanks with has, have, or had. Now look at the fourth sentence. This artist dash a number of admirers. Now the sentence is in the present tense. And artist, it is a singular noun. So which one will you use here? Yes, it is has. Next one. Susan dashed to pay a fine of 50 rupees yesterday. So yesterday tells us the sentence is in the past tense. So here we will use had as the sentence is in the past tense. Now the last sentence. I forgot to bring my tiffin. So I dashed to buy a sandwich from the canteen. The word forgot tells us that it is in the past tense. So the answer is had. Now the next exercise. Circle the correct option in brackets to complete each sentence. Look at the second sentence. My grandfather dashed a huge collection of stamps before he lost it. So the word lost will tell us It is in the past tense. So which one will you circle here? Yes, had. Very good. Now the third sentence. She dash a friendly nature. She is a singular pronoun and the sentence is in the present tense. So you will circle has. Now the last exercise. Rewrite these sentences using has, have or had correctly. Look at the second sentence. We has a lot of fun at the amusement park last week. Now the word last week tells us it is in the past tense. So instead of has, we have to use had. Very good. Look at sentence number 5. My grandmother have a beautiful diamond necklace. The sentence is in the present tense and the noun is singular. So instead of have, you will use has. The last sentence. This park have the most beautiful flowers. The sentence is in the present tense and the noun park is singular here. So you will rewrite it as this park has the most beautiful flowers. So complete all the exercises and send it to your class teacher. Thank you, children.